Danish MP to Trump. Now we know that the United States President Donald Trump wanted to buy Greenland. Greenland is under the control of Denmark, and Denmark says that they don't want to sell Greenland and Greenland is not for sale. And the Greenland Prime Minister says that the future of the Greenland should be decided by the people of Greenland, not Denmark, not America. Whether they wanted to become independent, they wanted to stay with Denmark, or they wanted to stay with United States. Donald Trump has already said that he will put the economic pressure on the Denmark to sell Greenland to United States. But the Denmark still says that it is not for sale. Now the Danish MP says Trump's to says that, "Dear President Trump, listen very carefully. Greenland has been the part of Danish kingdom for 800 years. It is an integrated part of our country and it is not for sale. Let me put in the words that you might understand." Now we don't know that how Americans will react to it. One thing is for sure that America and Trump will try its best to buy Greenland because Greenland is full of natural resources and it has a strategic location as well. So they might put more pressure on the Denmark to sell Greenland to United States.